For over 90 years, an obsession has pushed us to keep improving how our cars look, how they drive, and how they make you feel behind the wheel. It's in our DNA. It drove us to successfully engineer our revolutionary rotary engine, and it's driven us to reimagine the automobile as a whole today. Our goal? Ultimate efficiency. To achieve the unheard of, where fuel economy, low emissions, and outstanding driving performance coexist in cars accessible to everyone. To pull it off meant starting with a clean slate versus carrying over old ideas and parts like everyone else. It meant starting from the ground up and rethinking everything to work together in unprecedented harmony. We call it SkyActiv Technology. Imagine an engine that pushes the boundaries of engineering by delivering the compression ratio of a Formula One race car and 15% more low mid-range torque, yet 15% better fuel economy, all on 87-octane fuel. Imagine an automatic transmission so smart it perfectly rev matches downshifts faster than a dual-clutch transmission. Imagine entirely new bodies, 220 pounds lighter, yet stiffer and stronger than the bodies they replace. We imagined it all, and more, and then we made it a reality. At Mazda, we saw no other choice, committed to lowering fuel consumption and emissions across our entire lineup while refusing to compromise how our cars drive, pushed us to achieve a new standard for all future automobiles. SkyActiv Technology from Mazda. Fuel economy, performance, together. The future of driving begins now. We build Mazdas. What do you drive?